with the Nelson Food Company, what I've learned, I'm happy that they give us fruit and vegetables, which is number one, what we all should be eating compared to other food banks. They just give you canned foods, which is not good for you, and it's better to have homemade canning foods, what I've learned from the summer.
The Food Skills program is important to people in different ways, but really it's that connection between having raw ingredients, like a healthy diet that has lots of whole foods, fresh fruits and vegetables, things like that, stuff that we offer at our food bank, and connecting that to the kitchen so people can see how they can prepare that and turn that into a meal that it tastes good, is nourishing, and an economical way of meeting their food needs. So the Food Skills program is really that direct link between our other programs where we're providing food. It's a way of showing people how they can prepare it and cook it in a healthy way.
Kim, the instructor, has taught me a lot of things, and you feel like you know the people that you work in the kitchen, and it's great, and it's like a team play. You kind of know where you're going, what you're doing, and things gets done. It's like you don't need to learn. You work together, and it's a great team.
Yeah, as soon as I learned some of the things, I've already been using stuff that I've learned, and I can tell I'm 10 times faster at cutting and making food. So, yeah.